Hey guys, wanted to show you some of our top selling ribbons at the moment. So up first is this tiger print copper and brown ribbon. This is I believe a 4-inch ribbon. I don't have my notes here with me, but very pretty, and it does have glitter detailing as well. This will be great for fall or just every day. We have this pink crystal shine ribbon. It is so pretty. This is great for year round as well. It's a 1.5 inch and it's like a cotton candy pink. Great for baby showers, spring, summer, weddings. So pretty. And it pairs well with our nutcracker ribbon also. So this is turquoise, pink, and gold. And I'll show you how it pairs well with that. Such a girly moment. Love that. Of our plaid blue and red. This is great for patriotic but also school colors, and it's just really like southern to me. Love that. And it's a 1.5 inch. And then we have this, I believe this is like the Harlequin print. It reminds me of like a deck of cards also. So it has black, red, gold, and beige detailing, or more cream. 1.5 inch. It is so pretty. This would be so pretty for Christmas. Have this gingham check blue, and then it has like paint strokes, yellow, green, and blue detailing on that as well. This is a 1.5 inch and it's 10 yards. This is probably one of my favorites. It is the candy corn very thin ribbon, and it is a 5/8 with 10 yards. But this will be so cute around like goodie bags or bows for your wreath for Halloween, trick-or-treat baskets. So cute. And then this is a fun one. It's pink, orange, and then it has black, I believe that's black swirls. It's a 1.5 inch. Really fun. And then we have this pink 2.5 inch check, but it's more like the diamond shape. And it has paint strokes, and then the backing of it is lime green. This is so fun, and it pairs really well with Halloween ribbon. See, like, look how cute. You can do so many things with this ribbon. We have our watermelon summer print. So it's got watermelon, pineapple, kiwi, oranges, strawberries. It's a blue backing and then all the fruits on it. And it is a 2.5 inch by 10 yard. This is such a pretty fall ribbon. So it has all the pumpkins. It's a beige cream backing, and then you have all your fall tones. This is one of my favorites. I feel like it's timeless. So it's blue like watercolor, and it has florals and birds. It's a 2.5 inch, and we love her. One that I'm going to show you guys as a top seller is this fall pumpkin, and it has this very pretty like powder blue detailing, and then has some brown tones as well. Super pretty. So yeah, this is just a few of our top sellers that we've had this week.